So this is all about smoking cigarettes and why they're bad for you. And cigarettes contain some really nasty things, so let's look at them. The first one is nicotine. Nicotine is the drug in cigarettes that is addictive. And the way addiction works is that if I smoke cigarettes, because the nicotine is addictive, it makes me want to smoke more and more and more. And if I try and stop smoking cigarettes, I get withdrawal symptoms, and that doesn't make me feel very good because I really want to have a cigarette. So nicotine is the addictive drug. Then there's tar. Tar's a nasty, gooey stuff in cigarettes, and that can cause cancer. It's a carcinogen, and the cancer it normally causes is either lung cancer or mouth cancer or throat cancer. So tar is carcinogenic. And the last one is carbon monoxide. When I smoke cigarettes, carbon monoxide goes into my lungs, and what it does is it binds with red blood cells so they can't carry any oxygen. This means that I have trouble doing exercise, that it hurts when I walk, and if I'm a pregnant mother, then it means that my little baby might be born underweight. Carbon monoxide is also responsible for blocking arteries, and it can lead to heart attacks, and that's no good either.
Cigarette smoke may also damage ciliated epithelial cells. These are little cells in your lungs which have hairs which are protective and protect the lungs, and they're found in different parts of the lungs, the trachea, the bronchi and the bronchioles. If these cells get damaged, the smoker will get a smoker's cough. Cigarette smoke also destroys lung tissue, and this can cause a disease called emphysema, which results in the smoker having very short breath.
You need to be able to analyse and interpret graphs to do with smoking. Let's do that for this one here. The blue line shows that from 1900 until 1940 there was a huge increase in the number of cigarettes smoked by men. The red line shows that from 1920 until about 1970 there was a huge increase in the number of lung cancer deaths. So from this we can deduce that the lung cancer deaths and the increase in the number of lung cancer deaths was because more and more men started smoking between 1900 and 1940. And we know that in cigarettes there is a chemical which causes lung cancer called tar.